channel. In today's video I'm showing you how to verify your OPay account. As you can see at the top here, I am on a kyc3 level 3 on OPay. So today I want to upgrade to level 3, that is a kyc3. So right now we'll go to my profile by clicking on me, or my profile picture you're seeing right here. So we'll click on me down below here. Then you can see complete your personal information and enjoy higher transaction limits. So I want to go there now. So the first place, make sure you get your national ID, that is a government issued ID. Then get the one that you can upload back and front. Then you also get this NEPA bill. That is why you see 3 places to upload your requirement for you to move to level 3. So right now I want to upload my documents, so it will take me to my gallery. So the first one I will upload apply. That one settle. This one now upload the back, apply. Then this one now I'm uploading my NEPA bill, so I will click on let me see this second one, say apply again. So then now I'm ready to upload. You can see it show green button of all the document I upload here. So we'll click on upgrade. Then the admin of this app, you are level 3 of, you will get an answer within 2 working days. You can continue using our service within your current level. Okay, so it's done. That is the only way you can do this. As you can see, it take me to my normal work profile page. So this is it. So subscribe my YouTube channel if today is the first day you are visiting my YouTube channel. I will show you in my next video how to make like 3,000 naira a day using OPay referral program. Thank you. Bye for now. Peace.